he's even going around to the back side of the tub. Whoa, Olaf, I think that's enough bubbles. Hey guys, it's Sparkle Spice, and today we're gonna have a super fun bath party with our friends from Shimmer and Shine. We've got Shimmer, Shine, Leah, and Nahal. It's gonna be so much fun using these fun bath paints with them today. We even have some bubble bath and fashums and mashums. I can't wait to get this bath party started. Let's go! But first, Nahal's gonna get everyone messy. Whoa, you're getting so messy. You guys are gonna need a bath. Super messy. Time to go down the water slide, Shimmer. Woohoo! Whoa, what a slide. It's cold in here. Splash around. Shine's turn to go down the water slide. In you go, Shine. Woohoo! It is chilly, but it feels good. Okay, Leah, down the water slide and into the tub you go. Woohoo! Oh, watch out. Oh, it's also an Orbeez slide. Look at the way they roll down. And now it's raining Orbeez. Orbeez in the bathtub are bouncing everywhere and on everybody. So fun. Okay, Leah, it's time for our Shimmer and Shine bath paint with your picture on it. It's yellow bath paint. All right, let's get you out of the tub and get this paint. Oh my goodness, Leah, all over your face. Okay, let's get that all over so we can get you cleaned up and get all that mess that Tala got on you. Okay, plop back into the water there. You're up next, Shine, with this blue Shimmer and Shine bath paint. It's got your picture on it. Let's go ahead and get you out of that tub. Here we go. It's, getting all over you. All right, we'll just use this paintbrush to spread it all around and get you all cleaned up. Under your chin and everywhere, even in those ears. Okay, I think that'll do it. Hop back into the slide. Oh, you want to slide down? Okay. Okay, Shimmer, haven't forgot about you. This is your pink bath paint with your picture on it. I just love that it has your picture on it. Let's go ahead and get that all over. It looks messy, but it's gonna clean you right up. Let me just work that in everywhere. Oh, clean out the nose and on your arms and your little armpits. Gotta get clean all over. So much fun to get clean. Now it's time for me to dive back in. Whoosh! Don't think you can hide in there, Nahal. I've got some purple bath paints for you with your picture on it. Here we go. No hiding down there. Time to get all clean. The purple matches your stripes. Okay, we don't need to clean off those stripes. We just need to clean off all around you. Make sure to get into your little tiger ears and by your tail. We need to have a clean tail and little nose. Oh, that's much better already. What's that, Nahal? You want to go down the slide too? You got it. Here it goes. Cannonball! What a big splash. Here comes some fashion and mashums. All right, time to check out which fashions and mashums we got. Here's a Paw Patrol mashum. I wonder which one of our characters it will be. Let's check it out. Okay, who's it gonna be? I'll just pop this open. Oh, I think I know. It's Miss Sky. Look how adorable Sky is, all in pink and squishing. And one more time, squishing and stretching. She's kind of slippery from being in the bath. All right, flip on in, Sky. Woo! Up next is our Frozen fashion. Ooh, I would love to get a Queen Elsa out of here. Let's check it out. All right, peeling off the wrapper and opening up our little container. Here we have, oh, not Queen Elsa, but we do have Princess Anna. She looks so pretty. Let's squeeze and squeeze and stretch. She's actually not too squeezy or stretchy. Her hair is mostly. So much fun. All right, Princess Anna, let's spin into the tub. And let's see what we've got up next. Oh, what is this? Is this a Series 5 mashup of Crystal My Little Ponies? Oh, can't wait to see which one we've got. I'd love to find a Rainbow Dash. But let's see who we've got here. It's a Pinkie Pie. Oh, look at this crystal, shimmery, shiny Pinkie Pie and her little cutie mark. That is a lot of pink shimmering hair. Adorable. All right, Pinkie Pie is going down the slide. Here you go, Pinkie Pie. Woo! And our Finding Dory mashup is up last. Ooh, I would love to find a Dory in here. We've got... It's Destiny! Destiny is a whale shark from Finding Dory. Oh, I think she's gonna squeeze really well. Whoa! Look at that bubble on the top of her head. Let's try that again. Ooh, you can see the water inside. She stretches too. All right, I know she wants to get in the water. All right, how about a nice deep dive? Here we come. Oh, down in the Orbeez, jumping over everyone, having so much fun. Okay, time to get those faces cleaned up, and I think I know someone who'd like to help. Chase is on the case. He knows just what to do. He'll dive down and get some of that water. And how about Shine goes first? All right, Shine, are you ready? Okay, here it comes. Oh, that's so helpful. Thanks for helping, Chase. I'm getting all clean. All right, Leah, it's your turn to get cleaned up. Come on in, Chase. Here I go. Oh, what a big helper he is. He's getting you all cleaned off. Okay, Shimmer, you're up next. Let's get all clean. This time Sky's in to help. All right, give it a go, Sky. Whoa! She is really spraying Shimmer, but she's getting all clean.
Yay!
Good job, Sky. All right, Nahal, your turn. I'm ready to squirt. Okay, I'm ready to get clean. Here we go. Whoa! Oh, that's so helpful, Sky. I'm almost all cleaned up. Perfect. We did it. Now it's time for our Shimmer and Shine bubble bath. Here it comes. Whoa! It's getting in the tub and on Shimmer and Shine and Leah and Nahal. Oh my goodness, you guys. What yummy bubble bath. All right, let's get that bubbly stuff going. Everybody, here we go. Time to swim down in those Orbeez. Do we see all those Orbeez in here? Don't forget about them. Oh, look at Destiny popped up. She is swimming too. I think we'll have a sliding contest. Sky's turn. She's going down backwards. And now Pinkie Pie's turn. She's going down head first. Wow! Everybody's having so much fun. I know somebody who can make this tub really bubbly. It's our Bubble and Olaf. Here he comes. Oh, he's making bubbles everywhere. I think he's creating a mountain of bubbles. Oh my goodness, that's so many bubbles, Olaf. Oh, he's even going around to the back side of the tub. Wow, Olaf, I think that's enough bubbles. All right, Shimmer, just a couple brushes of the hair and you're ready to head off to the ball. Thank you. Ha ha ha. There'll be no masquerade ball for those genies. I've locked them away in jail. They'll never get out. Oh no, we've got to help our genie friends get out of jail so they can go to their masquerade ball. Let's start by going to the blue number 2 door. I've got to get it unlocked. Genie, are you in there? Oh my goodness, we do have a genie, but we also have a special Tsum Tsum surprise from Series 7. Oh boy, it looks like we have Snow White, Thumper, Baloo. There's the Mad Hatter, Abu, Mr. Big, Crush, so many different fun characters. Let's see who we've got. Okay, I've got somebody here. But first, Look at this collector's guide. There's tons of Tsum Tsum. I can't believe how many. All right, let me pop this guy out and see who it is. Come on out. It's the Mad Hatter from Alice in Wonderland. He's got a cute little hat on and his long white hair. Okay, let's get the other piece out. Look at the Mad Hatter's teacups. We've got blue, pink, and purple. They're really pretty. Okay, I'll set our Mad Hatter here, and then maybe I could put his teacups on top. Nice. I wonder if he'll set on top of the teacups. Kind of inside of them. Super cute too. Now back to saving our genie. It's Shine. Come on out, Shine. I've got you. Whoa. Oh no, Shine. You're not ready for the masquerade ball at all. We need to find your things. Let's try here in the purple door, number 1. Okay, oh, it's another genie. Come on out, Shimmer. Oh, there we go. We've got you, you're saved. But again, you're not ready for the masquerade ball. You can't go like this. Oh, we've got to find our gowns. All right then, let's check out the yellow number 3 door. Can we find any gowns? We've found another genie. It's Zeta. Oh goodness, are you ready for the masquerade ball? Your hair looks good, but you don't have anything on. Oh my goodness. Oh Shine, what are we gonna do? I don't know, but we cannot go to the masquerade ball looking like this. You've got that right. Maybe we can check the rest of the jail. Oh yes, let's do that. Okay then, let's unlock this green 5 door. Hey, there's definitely some masquerade things in here. Oh my goodness, and some genie outfits. And who is this? It's Tala. I didn't know you were locked in jail too. Poor little Tala. Oh, these are my things for the ball. Oh, well, perfect then, Shine. Let's get you all dressed up. I see your beautiful shimmering skirt here. It's so lovely. So let's get that on you first, over your feet, and up to your waist. Okay, let's see. Oh, you're already looking better. It's so lovely. All right, then we've got to get your gold shoes on. Oh, those are so fancy. I'll slip that on one foot and then the other foot. Now you're almost ready for the ball. Couple more things. We've got your genie armbands. We'll clip those on. And your other arm. We're almost ready. One more thing needed for the masquerade ball, and that's your mask. So let's get that on your hand. Oh wow, who is that? Is it Shine or someone else? Can't tell. All right then, time to check behind the 4 red door. Opening up. Ooh my! Some sort of surprise. And look, Nahal was in there. Oh, I'm so glad we could rescue you, Nahal. All right, off you go. Let's check out our surprise. It's My Little Pony Squishy Pop. Excellent, from Series 3. Whoops. Okay, let's see who we've got in here. Oh, I believe it's a crystal one. Here's a guide for you to collect all of them. Here's our crystal Applejack. Look at how pretty. She's very clear on her body and wings, and then her hair is this kind of clear yellow looking color. All right, let's see if we can hear her pop. There she goes. What a good popper. Let's get the rest of these genie clothes out. Oh, these things belong to me. They're for me. All right, Shimmer, then let's get your clothes on. Oh, what a beautiful purple skirt here. It shines like sparkly stars. Okay, we'll just open it up and slip it right over you. And then in the back, we have to close up the Velcro. Just like so. Oh, you're looking so beautiful, Shimmer. Okay, a few more things to get together. You have pretty purpley, sparkly shoes. I'll slide those on your feet. There's one, and then the other. Shimmer, you're looking so pretty and sparkly. Let's get your genie bands on. Can't go out without those. Whoops, shoe fell off. And now for your mask. Now you're Shimmer. Now you're not. We don't know who you are. Time to check in our last door. It's orange with a number 6. Oh, I hope it's the things we need. Another surprise in here and some genie clothes. Let's see. It's from Cars 3. It's a puzzle eraser. All right then, let's see how to put this puzzle together. Here's Lightning McQueen, number 95. Okay, I'm thinking maybe these wheels come off, and they do. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels that come off. And I think that's it. So now Lightning McQueen has no wheels. We've got to get him new wheels. Here we go, putting them back on. 1 and 2. Then our third wheel going on. Oh, I really wish I had Luigi and Guido here. They could help. All right, back to normal. Now time to get the rest of our genie stuff out. Those things belong to me. I must get to that masquerade ball. Well, okay, Zeta, just a second. Let's get your things on. You have this very dark green sparkly skirt. So we'll put that on. Let's just slide it up. Almost ready. Okay, you also have part of your top that needs to go on. So I'll clip that right around your neck. Okay, there we go. And then I'll put your shoes on. You have some green genie slippers. And you also have a belt for your dress. So let's clip that on around your waist. Oh, how nice. And don't forget your mask. It is a masquerade ball after all. Haha, no one will know it's me. All right, Shimmer, just a couple brushes of the hair and you're ready to head off to the ball. Thank you.